Alright, we're in our rental car now. We are in Milan. It's 10:30 in the morning. We've been up since 4 a.m. from Brussels. But we are now on our way to Lake Como. And Lake Como is shaped like an upside down Y. We're staying in a city called Cernobbio today. And check-in time's at 11:30, so it's about an hour drive. We're about an hour away. So we're gonna head on over there and see what this bed and breakfast that I booked is like. Alright, we made it to the B&B and it's amazing. I'm gonna flip the camera around.
Check out the view.
This is our view. So let's go. I got the keys right here. This is our room right here. Nice. Got you some flowers, girl.
Oh my goodness.
So we took a nap after the airport and then showered. We had lunch back there. Now we're gonna get in the car and head over to Lugano, Switzerland.
Another country.
Alright, we're officially in Switzerland. Checking it off Steph's list.
Go.
Okay, so we are at this place called Monte San Salvatore, and it's the highest point in Lugano, Switzerland. So we're about to get on this funicular, and then we're gonna go all the way up there. I don't know the height, but it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be cool. Okay, now we're really at the top. How is it up here, girl?
Beautiful.
Wow. Don't be scared, Steph. Just don't look to the right. Don't look to the right. You look beautiful, girl. Alright, that was pretty cool. We're gonna head back to Italy now and just enjoy some wine and the sunset. And we were up there, and now we're down on the road in the rush hour traffic, going over the water back to Como. We're back home after making it back from Lugano. Look at our view for the night. It's crazy. Steph, you back there taking pictures? That cloud? Are you kidding me right now? Alright, closing out the night with a little dinner on our terrace. How is it, girl?
It's the perfect spread. Perfect way to end our first night in Italy.
How's the view?
I think you couldn't ask for a better view.
Wow. Beautiful. So we bought some figs at the store, but turns out there's like fig trees everywhere you look here. We could have just picked some off. That nice old lady just let me pick a fig off the tree. She's like, eat it, eat it. I'm like, all right.
Sono in 4 piccoli, questa è la mamma, quella, la prima lì è la mamma, in
Questa?
left, sì.
Wow.
Sono belli, eh?
Uh-huh.
Oggi è una giornata stupenda nel lago,
Ah.
se vuoi fare il bagno swim,
Ok.
è perfect.
it beautiful?
This stay a Federica. Pasta stay senza glutine e non lo trovo più, ma... Ah, yes, you see?
Yes.
Senza glutine. Senza glutine.
Wow.
This no. Gatto morto. Di caffè te lo porto. Ma UFC,
It's like we're living in a dream. It's really crazy. Here comes our omelets right now. Grazie.
Prego.
Wow, this is perfect size. Getting ready for the day. So as you can see, we're driving. We're doing about a 45-minute north to a town called Menaggio. From there, we're going to put our car on a ferry and go over to Bellagio, which is on the other side of the lake. Explore that for a little bit. Take another ferry to a town called Varenna, and then come back to Bellagio and take our car down the right side of the lake back to Como. So right behind me there is the city of Bellagio. It's even more beautiful than the Vegas one. Here we are in the center of Menaggio. It's really hot out today. We're in the shade, as you can see. So we're gonna hop on that boat to Bellagio now and go have some lunch there. It's so beautiful. All right, we're on the ferry with the car. Going to Bellagio. This is gonna be awesome. Down these narrow streets. Welcome to the town of Varenna. That's it there behind me. It's beautiful. What you eating, girl?
I'm a happy girl with my gelato. All is right in the world.
Nice. Varenna was beautiful. Now we are heading back to Bellagio to get the car. Alright, back we go to Bellagio. What do you think of Lake Como, girl?
It was so beautiful. It surpassed even all my expectations of what I thought it would be.
It's crazy. No wonder Clooney lives here.
I still haven't seen him though. Where are you, George?
Driving back to the bed and breakfast with this crazy lighting. It's amazing here. Alright, so we are now in Como. We just drove from Bellagio down the right side of that lake. And it's crazy. You're going super fast down these very narrow roads.
With no divider.
So every time we pass a car, we're like inches from the right side mirror and Steph freaks out. But now we're going back and we're gonna have some wine by our terrace and get ready for tomorrow. One last stop at the market before we go home. We need more wine and hummus, right?
Yes.